You're talking to this person, they're getting 5 bids. You know, you're talking to this person and they, you know, they're just, they're kind of doomed to create what they're most fearful of. You can't manage it. I mean, I get 3 bids from my electrician and have a very hard time managing it, right? And you're gonna get 3 bids on 30 different items? I mean, it's impossible. So you have to, at some level, you have to trust somebody. Now, are you gonna trust somebody because they gave you the low bid? Some are, right? They're just gonna trust that it's good. But that's a really that's the riskiest trust, right? You know? But, you know, it's hard to trust the guy who just was also the high bid, you know? So 3 bids don't work. So in the middle bid, he wins by default, right? I mean, right? He might be the worst, right? I don't know. We're both judging that. He's judging if this is a good fit, and I'm judging if this is a good fit, right? Because neither one of us have the time or energy to enter into a failing relationship. We need a compelling reason. We need them to have a healthy skepticism of the design and what's possible. You know, if we're just going to build something, a lot of people can build stuff. They may not be what they think it is, but they can build stuff. You know, I think to evaluate a remodeler would be to, obviously you're going to meet with, you know, at least a couple people, and this is somebody that you're going to have a relationship with for 6 months, maybe a year. You know, trust your instincts, do your research. Ronald Reagan said, "Trust but verify." You know, I mean, you know, we're going to give you tools. I know as far as Murphy Brothers, we're going to give you a lot of tools to verify who we are. We've got hundreds of clients. We've got 40 plus years. We're going to give you the tools so you can understand who we are, and then you have to decide if we're a good fit.